Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Enermax Coolergiant 480 watt power supply. What is included in this package is a user manual, a power cable, a couple of Enermax stickers, 4 screws, and the power supply. This particular product has a wattage of 480, which is more than adequate to power the most demanding computer systems. Now, how is the rating of 480 watts determined? Well, to understand that, you need to know what rails are. And rails are basically well-regulated transformers which convert domestic current into voltages that your computer system can use. And there are essentially 2 different rails, the 3.3 5-volt rail and the 12-volt rail. And in this particular case, the 3.3 5-volt rail is 280 watts and the 12-volt rail is approximately 200 watts, which is basically how the wattage of this power supply is determined. Now, the 3.3 5-volt rail is responsible for things like the motherboard, memory, PCI cards, AGP card, and so on, while the 12-volt rail is responsible for hard drives, DVDs, CD-ROMs, fans, etc. Also, some might be interested to know the amps on each rail. Well, the plus 3.3 volt is 34 amps, and the plus 5 volt is 40 amps. This power supply is all aluminum, and as you can see, it is a gold color. It has a number of fans, a 90mm right here with a grill and one right here, and it also has a blower fan right here. Now, this one here is 80mm, and it's just above your motherboard, above the CPU, where there are a number of very hot components, and of course heat's going to rise, so this is going to help port that hot air out of your case. And how it works is this blower will suck up that hot air, and this fan right here and the other one as well will help port that air out of your case. Right here is the switch on and off. You also can control the fan speeds with this dial right here. And right here is where the power connection goes. Now, this power supply has a number of leads. You can also plug this lead right here into the motherboard to monitor the fan speeds. It has, as I mentioned before, 2 plus 12 volt rails. This is one of them right here. You can see it's meshed and shielded as well. It has a 6-pin motherboard server lead, the 4-pin motherboard lead, and one 4-pin standard Molex connector, as well as this large 20-pin motherboard connection. Again, it's sleeved and shielded. And this one here is also meshed or sleeved. It has 5 4-pin standard Molex connectors, 2 floppy, one right here and one right here, and 2 serial ATA connections. Now have a listen as I increase the fans from the minimum to the maximum position. This product has some amazing true power even when the system is highly overclocked and stressed out. I like the fan design, although the blower is a little bit noisy. The leads are a little short. They could be a bit longer. Now, for some that might be good because it will clean up the clutter that are caused by long leads. But others who have a large tower case, well, the leads, quite frankly, might not be long enough. Also, 2 12-volt rails, an aluminum design to keep it cool, and you have that dial at the back that you can adjust the speed of the fans. That's great. Overall, this is a kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And while you're there, you can go into the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Also keep in mind, you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please help support 3dgameman.com. Until the next time, take care.